Hi Aces, welcome back to our Vegas Aces YouTube channel. My name is Angela Marie, and today I'm excited to pass the mic to Heather Ferris for our video on how to make more money by mastering advanced customer service skills. Maximizing your tokes isn't just about great customer service. It's also about managing your time effectively on the table. In this video, you'll learn how to keep the game flowing smoothly, handle player interactions efficiently, and master the art of balancing speed with accuracy to boost your earnings. Now, on with the show.
How you manage your time while dealing on the game could determine whether your toke count goes up or down. That topic is next on the list, which is step number 10, time management skills. Now, I realize I spent half of this video telling you that you need to spend time interacting with the customer, but on top of that, I'm asking you to keep your hands per hour up, which means keep the game moving as fast as possible while still talking to the player. Getting your hands per hour up doesn't necessarily mean dealing faster, because this can lead to sloppiness and mistakes. It's the dealer's job to deal as many accurate hands per hour as they're capable of. Sometimes this can be a challenge when you have slow, old, grumpy people at the table. If you do have slow people on your table, then first use body language to move them along. I would hold my hand out, palm facing up and open, and point right at their bet. I would also try to grab their attention with eye contact and a quick nod towards their hand. If the player is still confused because, hey, let's face it, we give them alcohol, then I would say, "Sir, it's your turn," or "What would you like to do there, sir?" This usually keeps the game moving. If you're able to achieve a high amount of hands per hour while still connecting with the guests, then you'll see a noticeable increase in your tokes. Another dealing procedure that can increase your tokes is shuffling. I explained how dealing more hands per hour will also get you more tokes per hour. Well, you're not going to get any tokes if you're shuffling at a snail's pace. Work on getting your shuffling speed up, and this will increase your toke numbers. If you need to, you could practice at home on an ironing board while watching TV. Dealers are just another cog in the machine, and everyone has to be on time in order for it to work like a well-greased machine. That's why it's important for dealers to be punctual and dependable, not only getting to work on time, but also arriving back from break on time as well. This is important, so please remember to be on time. The last time management skill that we're going to talk about is answering the customer in a timely manner. Usually the reason why we're late getting back from our break is because the player stopped us with a question. So let's talk about how to answer that question quickly, so that way you could still be on time. If you know the answer, then you could quickly tell the guest, point them in the right direction, and be on your way. Don't sit there and engage in small talk. If the guest has a million questions, or if they have one of those personalities where they could sit there and talk for 3 hours without stopping, then direct them to the security booth. If the guest asks a question and you don't know the answer to it, then direct them to the closest foreman. The reason why employees take so much time answering questions is because they don't know the answer to that question. And instead of finding someone who does, they'll sit there for 5 minutes trying to think of an answer, second-guessing themselves, and in the end, the guest is more confused than when they begin with. We could save a lot of time if we just direct the guest to someone who knows the answer.
That does it for today's show. If you liked what you saw, please like and subscribe. Do you want to see our content 5 days early? Then subscribe to us on Patreon, where we give our patrons exclusive early access and coach new dealers on how to get into the industry. The folks on the screen right now are our Patreon producers. Every single name is a person in the world who supports this channel, so we can keep going. And we're so grateful to them that they've allowed us to go on this really remarkable journey. Thanks everybody for being a part of this. Also, our business helps casino game inventors with developing their game, bringing their idea to fruition and onto the casino floor. If you have a casino game you want to develop, email us. You can find a link to our email in the description below. Just a quick reminder, Vegas Aces is supported by viewers like you. Click that hype button to help us get our content out there and grow as a channel. The hype button is only available in some countries, so if you don't see it, it might not be available in your area. Or you can donate. Donations make it possible for all these videos to be brought to you for free. If you think this video is worth more than $0, then please donate the amount you feel it is worth by clicking the link in the description below. If you can't afford to financially support us, then help us update our World Toke Board. This shows the toke numbers for casino dealers around the world. But we can't update these numbers if people don't contribute. You can anonymously send us your toke numbers via our toke line or by emailing heather@vegas-aces.com. Thank you for watching. Please join us for our next video. We have a new video every Thursday. And if you're looking for even more content, check out our other videos here on the screen. We also offer interview transcripts, flashcards, dealer instruction manuals, the world's first toke board, and so much more, all on our website, vegas-aces.com. You can find all of these links in the description below. Until the next time, stay lucky, Aces.